Hey everyone, Eddie here with Next Gen Surface Care, and today's project we are working in Cypress, Texas, and we're working on 2,000 square feet of marble floors. So we're grinding this floor, we're honing it, we're actually repairing the entire floor of holes. There's a lot of pits and holes. You see all of this. There's holes like this. You know, we've got holes like that. You can probably see them. If we were not to repair those holes, when you're done polishing the floor, it will actually look really bad. Because then you'll see a shiny floor and then you will see all kinds of holes or pits that will really stand out. Already grouted the entire floor. We've worked on this side here. We've grinded and basically went ahead and filled in all the holes as well. And now we're in the process of this side. And we're just going to keep going all the way around the opposite side of the house there. Once this is done, this floor is going to have a beautiful polish, is what the client wants. And they want to keep this floor because this floor is gorgeous. So that's our objective, that's our goal. Pretty fun project, and we'll show you the results.